Good morning, you guys. Welcome to My Future Success. I want to see if I can get in here on a trade to show you guys a live example of how to use these metrics. A little bit early this morning. It's about 7:03 a.m. What I'm liking about this here right now, you guys, is overall we're making a higher low with price action. We're now trading above this 50. And if we end up getting a buy signal here in a second, I want to actually see about going long. A simple rule to use with these metrics is if you're trading above the 50 to be taking buy signals or when price action gets above, and then taking sell signals when price action is below the 50, and then playing it over until you actually get a color change in the background or an amount of profit is actually in target. So let's say you want to be trading here, since we have multiple accounts, this is with 8 lots. If I end up get close to about $1,000 or so, that is going to be very good for a daily target for myself, and then look for just multiple trades in the market. I'm also going to, in a second, give a shout out to everyone who joined using these metrics in literally the last 24 hours. We're having a lot of people join on and have an amazing success with this. Testimonials coming in with 5-star ratings day after day. Thank you guys so much. I do actually have a one-on-one training today here at 11 a.m. I'm so excited to get on the call with that. But I'll show you guys exactly where to grab all these metrics and do the one-on-one trainings with me here in a second. But let's actually just take a look here and show you guys exactly what I'm looking at, the narrative behind what I'm seeing, and actually see if we can place a trade over here. So right now, price action is actually switching over in the background, which is totally fine. No valid signals set up just yet. Buy and sell signals are going to be the best entries because it's going to tell you all the metrics are in line. So when you get a buy signal, this is telling you that money's flowing into the market. You have a solid green dot. That's a key EMA crossover to the upside. And the middle band has to be solid green, meaning overall market momentum within that time has to be bullish. So inversely, when you have these sell signals here, everything is just now heading to the downside. We have now actually broken down below this. So if we end up getting a sell signal here on the next candle close, I actually really like this over here because we don't have support until this area of about 5574. I actually might be looking to get into a short position here, and I love this candle. Breaking down, strong bearish candle. This one right here is a continuation one. See how we broke this one here, but the second candle wasn't as continuation. Now this is a little bit premature. A sell signal has not been illuminated on the chart, but I wouldn't be surprised if this actually sees a dip further down. So let's take a look at price action over here. Let's see if we can wait for a slight little pullback, and let's go and enter in on this. I'm going to go ahead, if we get a little bit of a push, I'm going to sell market right now. You guys keep an eye out on the profit and loss over here. This is trading with 8 lots here. This is going to be with a couple accounts. Each ticket is going to be $100. This is actually set for a $1,500 take profit. Guys, this is live with you here right now. You guys can go back and see this exact entry that I entered, currently up about 1,000 to 1,100. If we can push down just a couple bit more here, this is going to close out for a $1,500 profit. If we end up getting any bit of a bounce back up, I'm going to go ahead and move this, and we'll go ahead and take out a slight less profit. Boom, just like that, you guys. $1,500 profit, just like that, using these metrics. Not even a sell signal illuminated, but showing that price action is coming below. We're then having a strong, another candle, and we're just following that trend. You guys tell the background here is solid red. So if this is red, that's showing bearish. We're below the 50. We're playing it down. Money momentum is not necessarily making a higher low. It's still staying stagnant. Great executed trade, just like that. Pulling out $1,500. Now, you guys, I'm going to go over here and show you exactly where to grab this. Description below is going to have a link to My Future Success. Grab these metrics and start seeing some success. This is lifetime access. You never pay any monthly service fees. And the person that I'm doing today, the one-on-one training, every member ends up getting 50% off. Since I'm on this page, all you guys have to do is go over here and click I want this, and in minutes, literally start seeing these charts exactly like mine. I'm going to give a shout out right now to everyone who's joined. Fernando, Shiran, Joshua, Houston, Don, Robert, Sean, Cheat, Mark, Sean. You guys, if you're hearing your name, leave a comment below here. I'm having so much fun with you guys. Joey, Charles, Mark, David, Chad, Neil, Baga, I think it is, Daniel, Sam, Vit, Abraham, Ruben, and the last one just this morning, Robert. Guys, thank you so much for joining. I honestly love this. 682 is the last one here. Let's go and update this for transparency. We are now up and over at 718. Thank you guys so much. I am just having so much fun here. Let's see if we got another star rating. This is literally 4 hours ago. You guys take a look at this. I actually read this one this morning. This is more or less about just really good customer service. He said about 1 p.m. I sent an email to Justin explaining that I was having trouble. This is a little bit older gentleman, 78 years old. So, guys, I literally work with people who are just getting into the market to also people that are looking at retired and to pull out some funds in the market. Was having some trouble on his charts, was able to get on with him right away and help him out. Justin, very quick to answer. Great setup. This is actually a really fun one here. Justin installed the indicator yesterday, Sunday, July 29th. I started trading 4 NQ futures starting at 6 p.m. Sunday, and it is now 10 a.m. Monday. I'm up $9,000. Multiple trades were entered through the night and taking 1,000 to 1,500 profit each time. Absolutely incredible. Raghu, thank you so much for sending this comment. Guys, this is going to give you access to everything down here. Take a look at other 5-star ratings here. Honestly, you guys, go down and just look at the comments that we're having on here. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email. Messages right away. I will respond to you guys, end up drawing down a little bit further. But hey, don't get greedy. If you're in this trade, what I look out for getting out of it, if you get a doji candle like this and the background's still red, use this as indecision in the market and go ahead and exit out of that trade. A little bit of advice right there. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. God bless. Take care. Grab some of these metrics and start seeing some success yourself. Have a great one.